The key issues that Albert Jagger were facing was the length of time it took to get product, the volumes and the cash tied up in that supply chain. They couldn't respond to demand for shorter lead times and smaller quantities, and it was costing the business. They needed to do something to make that business more profitable.
Albert Jagger is a very dynamic group. We turn over £16 million a year from 4 sites in the UK and 1 in New Zealand, manufacturing for the commercial vehicle, industrial and marine sectors.
The company has been going for quite a number of years and has held several patents throughout those years, one of which was for one of our fasteners, which we call an anti-loose fastener.
Many of the products used in our industries were designed by Albert Jagger. 70 years ago, we developed the anti-loose fastener. We held patents on it for 50 years.
When that patent ran out, all our competitors in the UK and the continent all went running over to China and had them made there. We tried to support those products for as long as we could in the UK, but in the end we had to follow suit. Otherwise we would have been out of that business, and that was our product. We used to buy in the region of £500,000 a year, and that was all we were left with after our patent ran out, because back in those days we were making up to £3 million a year. So there was a huge loss taken. The reason why we chose MTC at the end of the day is because we thought we knew what to do, but we didn't have the skills to do it. I want a modern looking factory, faster turnaround, making good quality products that people want to buy.
We engaged with the MTC, the Manufacturing Technology Centre. They did a root and branch review of our operation.
One of the first things was to help us re-engage the workforce and make them actually feel wanted. That carried on then through to the layout of what it should be versus what it was. And we did virtual reality setup of what it should be like, because we could always put those goggles on and actually walk around what was going to be the future look of the business.
This has enabled Albert Jagger Engineering to invest in the very latest CNC machines, new presses, 3D printing, computer-aided design and a complete refurb of the entire facility.
Throughout the process, we even dug up the floors and relaid concrete. We moved presses. We actually replaced presses from probably 1940 models.
And have introduced lean principles, Six Sigma and 5S into the operation.
At the same time, part of the project was to reshore the anti-loose fasteners.
With manufacture 2 miles away from our distribution centre.
The fact that they're now British made is almost like a unique selling point.
We are completely retooling it and bringing it home back to the UK for manufacture.
It's the lead times. You don't have to order the vast quantities that you would from China. You can turn the tap on and off from one design or variation to another.
Manufacturing in the UK means that we can control quality, we're flexible and we tailor the product to the exact requirements of the customer.
Bespoke anti-loose for various different customers, and with all the future orders we have, that's not only just help us increase the turnover but also the profitability as well. So there are huge advantages. We are going to start bringing more and more stuff that we do have made in China back to the UK. That is part of our future strategy. That's going to be an ongoing project with MTC. We want to invest more in technology, in assembly and robotic assembly, in products, new products, the design of new products. We are now actually winning business because they are made in the UK. So come on, British manufacturing, start doing something and making stuff in the UK, and be proud about it and have some pride in the products that you produce.
Customers are appreciating things are made in the UK, and there is a value to that, not only here but in the Commonwealth and the greater community. The benefits that the business have seen have been astronomical. I guess you can summarise what the MTC have done with Albert Jagger in sort of 4 areas. First and foremost, the people environment, improving that environment, getting that in people engagement. Second is technology selection, helping them make the right decisions for them, the right investment. Third area is creating that vision, that what is the art of possible. and 4 is helping them plan for the future and using digital techniques to make it so they can share and engage, then collaborate with their customers and suppliers much better.